About SpiceJet, whose shares rose in trade after the Delhi High Court dismissed Kalanithi Maran's plea seeking damages of more than 1,300 crore rupees from the airline. Could you take us through what the court said and what does this mean for Kalanithi Maran?
Well, big reprieve coming in for SpiceJet, the airline. The Delhi High Court on Friday, we understand, has rejected an application by Kalanithi Maran seeking damages of 1,300 crore rupees. Now, bear in mind, this goes back nearly a decade and a half. 2010 is when Kalanithi Maran had acquired a controlling stake as far as SpiceJet as the airline is concerned. In 2015, handed the control back to Ajay Singh, and since then, there's been a dispute over a transfer of preference shares, a transfer of warrants, a transfer of cash. There's been an arbitral dispute. Now, the arbitral dispute first went in favor of Kalanithi Maran. The arbitral tribunal had directed for payment of 579 crore rupees from SpiceJet to Kalanithi Maran. However, after a spate of litigation in 2024, which is just last year, the Supreme Court had sent the matter back into arbitration. And at the arbitration center is when Kalanithi Maran had raised claims of 1,300 crore rupees. The arbitral tribunal rejected it. Kalanithi Maran then moved to the Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court, we now understand, has also rejected it. In fact, the Delhi High Court used strong language that this was, quote-unquote, a calculated gamble being used by Kalanithi Maran in terms of way they've gone about filing this entire petition, challenging the arbitral award, and also going on to say that certain key facts were in fact held from the Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court saying we're not impressed with this conduct. So on that ground, sending it aside, dismissing this petition. But bear in mind that Kalanithi Maran does have the legal remedy, the legal option of appealing this Delhi High Court judgment before the Supreme Court.
Right. Thank you, Ashmit, for that. The Supreme Court